Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the Anypro Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you make an informed decision based on your needs. Let's get started. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub is a semi-automatic washing machine, meaning you need to manually transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs. In contrast, the Anypro portable washing machine is fully automatic, allowing you to set it and forget it, making laundry day much more convenient. When it comes to capacity, the Anypro portable washing machine has a significant advantage, with a capacity of 17.8 pounds compared to the Giantex's 12 pounds. This means the Anypro can handle larger loads, making it a better choice for families or those who do laundry less frequently. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub offers basic features with simple operation, while the Anypro Portable Washing Machine boasts advanced features such as multiple wash programs, a child lock, and energy efficiency. This makes the Anypro a more versatile option for users who want more control over their laundry. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Giantex is a great option for those on a budget who need a simple, portable solution, while the Anypro offers more features and larger capacity for a higher price. Consider your laundry needs and space constraints before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.